Hey guys, it's Jared with Bitumio, bringing you another video about how to use project files. So project files is a repository that gives you a single central location within our system that you can store all of the different files associated to a project, or in our language, an opportunity, a proposal, and a job. And those files, if stored at the opportunity, can translate down to the proposal and then translate down to the job as well. So those files move along with the project throughout our system. So let's jump in and I'll show you how this works. So in the system, we're going to look at the project files section first. So under organization settings, there's this new section called project files. So if you come into the project files, this is your directory of information. You can see that I've got one folder in here, and now I've got these files and images, PDF, a movie, etc. that if an image or a PDF is supported, you can view those. Otherwise, we can view those. It'll open up in a different tab. Or if it's not supported, if it's an unsupported file type, we can click into it, it'll prompt us to download that, and then we can download it and view it from our local computer. But all of them are saved in one central location. I can add files. I can create additional directories here. So I can add a folder in this same directory. So maybe this is driveway, and I want to store files underneath that folder directory specifically. Or I can create a new folder directly back at the root, the top line, okay? So let's jump into an opportunity now. So here I'm going to create a new opportunity. And this we'll just say is for me, shirt, I'm the contact. This came from my external cells, and now I have this project files. So over here, I'm gonna edit the location of this, so I can select an existing folder, or I can create a new folder within this location. Sorry, I pushed the wrong button. I'm going to click the Hislop residence. It shows me all of the files in here, and then just hit select. So now I have the directory or the repository location where I'm going to be storing all of these files. Okay. If I wanted to, now I can click this view files, and I can see all of the files that I've now saved in this location for this project, for this opportunity. Same thing with the PDF. It's going to act the same way. I can open it, I can view those, and I have my movie. I can add additional files. So if at this point I want to add more images or more files as a whole, here's another Bitumio file. Now I can keep adding to this directory all of these different files. Opportunity name, let's just call this driveway, grade and pave. So now I have my opportunity. I can click back in here. I can still see those files. I can click on them and view what they are, where they are. Now if I move this to a proposal, yep, that looks good. I'm just going to add a quick product here. Let's call this 6,000 square feet. Okay, got a product. Now if I move this to a proposal, if I'm in this proposal info, I'm going to go to my info page for this proposal. I still have my project files, and I have that directory already selected because it's copied over from the opportunity. I can still view all of those files. I can add additional files, whatever I need to do to still keep centralizing all of these documents to this proposal now, to this project. I'm going to go ahead and move this proposal to 1. Now that it's 1, if I go into my job, so this job has now been created for us, Jared Hislop, grade and pave. Here's my project file still. So I can change the directory still if I wanted to look at a different location, or I can still view all of the files that I've saved against this project. So these are going to transcend from opportunities to proposals to jobs, and it's going to be a central repository to store any information against this opportunity, against this project, right, throughout the life of that project. So hopefully that helps kind of consolidate, give you a central repository, a central location to keep all of your information together versus having to, save it in Google Drive or save it to your computer and add links and notes and things that we had been recommending before. This is hopefully a big win to consolidate all of that information into one location. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you again.